Hello everyone, this chip is called UP9509P. As you can see in the actual chip labeled or part number UP9509P. So this chip is a 24 pins chip. It is called also a PWM IC or PWM chip. So this chip has a 24 pins, as you see in here. It has a 24 pins. Okay, it is commonly used on graphics card or GPU like the 1050 Ti or 1050 series. Now I will show you in the actual motherboard on where you can see this PWM IC UP9509P. As you see in here, this is the PWM IC. So what is the purpose of this PWM IC UP9509P? The purpose of this PWM IC UP9509P is to control the power stages of the GPU chip or the GPU main core chip. It controls this, for example, the 1, 2, 3 phases or power stages of the GPU main core chip, or you can also call it the GPU core. It will be straight on the GPU core chip, as you see. Let us take a look at the close-up view of the UP9509P chip. As you can see it in here, this is the diagram of this chip. So you will notice in here that there is a pin 1 which has indicator of a dot like this. As you see in the actual chip, you can see the dot in here. That indicates our pin number 1. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. In the actual motherboard, pin 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is a 24 pins IC. This pin is called the PVCC pin. On pin number 21 on the actual motherboard, you can count from pin 1 counterclockwise and you will find the PVCC pin, which is pin number 21. This pin, you have to measure a around 5 volts VCC voltage. The next pin to check is the enable or EN pin, which is pin number 3. You have to measure it 2 volts around or 2 volts up. So in the actual motherboard, you must measure the pin number 3. This pin, which is the P good or the power good pin, you have to measure it to around 2 volts or up. If you measured all the voltages is present, then it indicates that this PWM chip is working normally. If you measure these coils for the V-core and it is missing, the V-core voltage must have a 0.700 plus millivolts, and if it is missing, you must check the PWM IC and check the voltages and important pins using the diagram or the schematics of the UP9505B IC. So that's all for now. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and support me. Thank you very much.